Okay, guys. So let's have a look at this check. Now let's read the information first. So the owner of a Chinese restaurant, Red Dragon, has hired 4 persons, namely A, B, C, and D, to deliver food at doorsteps of the customers, right? Now we have some additional information. The total distance covered by A on Monday is more than distance covered by A on Wednesday as well as that on Tuesday. Okay. Now the total distance covered by A on Thursday is less than distance covered by A on Saturday as well as Sunday. The aggregate distance covered by A on Thursday plus Tuesday. Thursday and Tuesday, aggregate means sum, is less than aggregate of Monday and Wednesday. And again, the aggregate of A on Wednesday and Sunday is less than aggregate of A on Tuesday and Saturday. The distance covered by A on Thursday is more than distance covered by A on Monday. Now, this additional information holds true for every other person as well. That means for A, B, C, and D. Right? Now, the following table provides information about the distances covered in kilometers by each of the mentioned 4 persons on the 7 days of a particular week. And of course, not necessarily in the order of the days, because we know the maximum distance will be covered on some particular day. So all this can be deduced on the basis of this information given. So now we have to first, in order to solve this question, you can even have a look from the question itself. If the distance covered by A on Friday is 33 kilometers, then what is the difference between distance covered by A on Saturday and Monday? So we have the data of 4 people, A, B, C, and D, and about the distances they covered on 7 days of the week. Now, first we need to find out which distance was covered on which day. For that, we need to understand the order of the days. I mean, the day on which the maximum distance will be covered, followed by the day on which the next maximum distance is covered, and so on. So on the basis of the information, let's try to find out the order of the days first. So the first point says Monday is more than Wednesday and Tuesday. Okay, so we'll write Monday here, and of course Wednesday and Tuesday will be below Monday because they're lesser than it. Now we don't know about which one is more amongst Wednesday and Tuesday, between Wednesday and Tuesday, so we'll write it parallelly. Now Thursday is less than Saturday as well as Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday will be here, and Thursday will come below that. Okay. Now the total of Thursday and Tuesday, Thursday plus Tuesday, is less than Monday and Wednesday. Okay. And again, we have the total of Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday and Sunday is less than Tuesday plus Saturday. Okay. And Thursday is more than Monday. So of course we can write this particular thing here. So Thursday will come like this. Now we don't know about Saturday, Sunday, which one is greater, and Wednesday, Tuesday, which one is lesser or greater. All right. So, and we of course have no information about Friday. So let's have a look. So on the basis of these two equations, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Let's have a look at the first equation first. So it says Thursday plus Tuesday is lesser than Monday and Wednesday. Now we know Monday is already lesser than Thursday if you compare both of them. So Monday is already lesser than Thursday. So Thursday is greater than Monday. Still this side is high. That means if Thursday is 4, Monday cannot be 4. Monday has to be less than 4. Still, RHS is greater than LHS. Right hand side is greater than left hand side. That can happen only in one case, and that is if Wednesday is greater than Tuesday. So from the first equation, it can be deduced that Wednesday is greater than Tuesday. So we can write it like Wednesday and Tuesday. Now for Saturday, Sunday, let's write this equation. So Wednesday plus Sunday is less than Tuesday plus Saturday. Now we know Wednesday is already greater than Tuesday. Here, Wednesday is already greater than Tuesday. Still, this side is greater. So this can happen only if and only if Saturday is greater than Sunday. So it will be Sunday here and Saturday on the top. Now we don't know what Friday. We can fix Friday anywhere amongst them on the basis of the question. All right. So let's have a look at the first question now. If the total distance covered by A on Friday is 33 kilometers, then what is the difference between distance covered by A on Saturday and Monday? Okay, so let's read the order. So maximum distance covered by A is 43. So this has to be Saturday. Then we have 38. This is Sunday. Then we have 33, which is given Friday. So of course, Friday will come between Thursday and Sunday for this particular question, not for the other questions which are following. Because the information is given, if this condition is given only for question number 38, this won't apply for 39. Please make sure of this thing. Okay, so this is 33. Then 33, then we have 27. Then we have 25. then we have 21, and then we have 18. So now we know the distances covered by A on all the days. The question being asked is difference between distance covered by A on Saturday and Monday. So Saturday it is 43, Monday it is 25, and the difference will come out to be 18. So the answer will be option 4, 18 kilometers. Now moving on to the next one. For how many of the mentioned persons, the distance covered by them on Tuesday is definitely the least among the 7 days? So for this question, we need to understand one thing. So I'm rubbing it all. The question being asked here, this is for how many persons the distance covered by them on Tuesday is definitely the least. Now, we know about all other days except for Friday. So if for someone, the distance covered by them on Friday is least, then for that person, the distance covered by that person on Tuesday cannot be the least, or of course, Tuesday will be the day where the person will be covering the least distance. Now, how to check it? It's very simple. We were told about the two equations which we made. I'll write again. So the first equation said Thursday plus Tuesday is lesser than Monday plus Wednesday. And second equation said Wednesday plus Sunday is lesser than Tuesday plus Saturday. So what will we do? I'll just tell you about the approach, and you can apply it for the others as well. I'll tell if we have to calculate it for A. If you want to know for A whether Friday will be the lowest, the day with least distance covered or not. So what will you do? We'll just put the order of A in this, and we'll keep Friday on the lowest side, least side, right? And then we'll check for the inequalities. Both these equations, if both the equations are satisfied, keeping Friday the least, then for A, Friday can be a day where the least distance was covered. If any one of these equations is not satisfied, then Friday cannot be the day which will come in which the least distance is covered. So how to check it? I'll just do one for you. 33, we have 27, 25, 21, and 18. Now checking the equation, Thursday plus Tuesday, that means 33 plus 21, which will be 54, is less than Monday plus Wednesday. So Monday is 27, Wednesday is 25, this is 52. So we can see the equation failed here. The first equation got failed, which is not true. So of course, Friday cannot come below Tuesday. So of course, for A, Tuesday is the day where least distance is covered. So similarly, we can check for all of them and find the answer to this question.